In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the trading analysis and economic calendar on the Pocket Option dashboard. Understanding how to effectively use these tools can significantly enhance your trading strategy. Let's dive right in. When you first access your Pocket Option dashboard, you'll notice a variety of tools and features designed to support your trading activities. It's this kind of functionality that can offer a comprehensive view of market trends and potential economic impacts. Now, right in the middle of your dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to a specific button marked with the letter A. It's prominently located and stands out quite well, so you shouldn't have any trouble spotting it right away. Once you find this button, simply click on it. This will immediately open up the trading analysis and economic calendar, two invaluable resources for anyone serious about trading. You might be wondering what's next or how these features can aid you. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. With the trading analysis and economic calendar now in view, you are greeted with a well-organized display showing various pieces of information. Here, you can keep track of crucial economic events and forecasts. Let's break down what you're seeing so you can make the most of it. The calendar presents details such as time, priority, and specific events, alongside forecasts that may impact the market. Understanding these elements is key to anticipating market movements and planning your trades accordingly. The time column provides exact scheduling of upcoming events, which helps you align your trades to coincide with these moments. Keeping track of time-sensitive events can be instrumental in responding to economic shifts that happen in real time. Next, you'll see the priority tag, which indicates how significant each event is likely to be in affecting the market. This prioritization assists in honing in on the most critical happenings that could influence your trading decisions. Moving on to the event label, you'll discover a list of economic occurrences that might range from employment reports to policy updates. These events are pivotal because they can drive volatility in the market, providing both risks and opportunities for traders. Finally, the forecast section gives an outlook or prediction on the economic event's potential outcomes. Having insights into forecasts enables you to strategize effectively, allowing you to make informed decisions rather than relying solely on intuition. Incorporating the use of this trading analysis and economic calendar into your daily routine can significantly elevate your expertise and responsiveness as a trader. Remember, staying informed and prepared is the cornerstone of successful trading. So, there you have it. With these tips, you are now equipped to leverage Pocket Options tools for smarter trading.